Hi guys, it's me. Bishop will be 3 months in 3 days, and just giving you guys an update. He is doing so much. He's talking, baby talk. He's trying to grab his toys. Oh my goodness, he's holding his head up. He's blowing bubbles. He's smiling, of course. He's just so smart. I mean, all the nurses and all the doctors, every time I take him to the doctor, they're just amazed by how alert he is. Right now, he's sleeping. There he is right here. He's so big and long. The last time I took him to the doctor, which was 3 weeks ago, he was 14 pounds and 24 inches long. Come on, y'all. That's like the size of a 6-month-old baby. And he's like only about to be 3 months. But then again, my husband is 6'3", and I am almost 5'11", so that's why. But other than that, I've lost a lot of weight. I still have a little pouch or whatnot, but I lost mainly most of my weight. I'm actually going to put a video of recent pictures of Bishop and recent pictures of me and my husband, so you guys will be able to see how much weight I have lost. But motherhood is awesome, even though like I'm so tired all the time. These bags are really from Bishop, but I love him so much, and even though I don't get enough sleep, who cares? I love my baby boy. That's about it. Life is good. God is awesome. My baby boy is healthy, and that all that matters. And if there's anything else that come about, I'll let you guys know. But as for me and baby Bishop and my husband, we are A-okay. All right, signing out. Signing out from, oh, he just woke up. Say hi to the people. He like, Mom, leave me alone. I just woke up. Say, I just woke up, huh? Say, I just woke up? Just woke up, Bishop? He looking like, okay. Okay, guys. Until next time. Have a blessed month, year. All right. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.